Keeping your bow steady when you carve is just one of the most frustrating aspects of making bows. Today I'm going to show you 10 work holding methods that you can use to keep your bow steady and secure. Let's get to it. The first is too obvious to mention, and that's just using a support like a log or a stump, or your body. Bows have been made without formal work holding equipment for thousands of years. You don't really need something to keep your bow steady. It just makes your life easier. Next up, find a pair of fallen trees and you can wedge your bow right in there. This is perfect for making alignment corrections or steam bending in limbs. Number 3, the shave horse. This modern one is called the Stave Master. You can get them from Keenan Howard, who also makes the popular Stave Press. Number 4, a bearing ladder, also known as just a ladder. This one's super handy for debarking logs and holds your work at a great angle that puts gravity on your side. If you want to use a metal ladder, just find some padding material, like leather, and you're good to go. Number 5, the Stave Press, also by Keenan Howard. I really like this thing. I used it for a long time as my main work holding tool. It just takes a little while to thread the bow through the eye of the press. I took that into account when I built my own workbench and installed a quicker acting face vise that's open on one side. Number 6. So here's what I've been using most of the time. There have been requests for a teardown, so I'll do that and show you the insides. Number 7. Here's something many of you already have available, and what most bowmakers use. It's a regular metal type vise. If you don't have anything suitable and you're looking to buy something affordable and versatile, number 8's for you. Quick clamps. If you double up, you'll have more grip than you'll probably ever need. I use these all the time in different situations. They're only slightly slower than my main vise, but much more versatile. Attach them to tables, poles, railings, whatever you have. Number 9. Ratchet straps. I'm using synth straps in the clip, but if you have any with a ratcheting action, those are much better. Last one, number 10. A rope vise. This can be as simple as a loop of rope, string, or bark that you activate with your foot. Straps are ideal, but paracord works too. And if you don't have anything, get some strips of bark from a tree. Hopefully some of these were useful to you. There are many more I haven't covered. As always, ask me anything about making bows in the comments. For more in-depth help with your bows, head over to Reddit and post on r/bowyer. You'll get plenty of help from me and others. If you have any video ideas of your own, I'd love to hear them. And if there's anyone out there who wants to make a bow but thinks there's something holding you back, let me know. I might have some ideas or a future video to help you out. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all of you who have encouraged what I love to do.